Today we are looking at this badly damaged vintage ladies' tag Heuer that was destroyed by our beautiful sea. Please, screw your crowns down before you go into water, or this happens. Great, the crown and stem came out easily. We definitely going to replace this movement. Remove the bracelet so that we can send that off for polishing, as it looks very scratched. You can see this bracelet has been worn well, and I always appreciate someone who wears their watch every day as intended. Now we will open this case back and see the lovely damaged movement. First thing I noticed is there is a modern ETA movement inside, and this is an early 90s tag Heuer. I suspect it's been replaced before. The clamp screws seem okay, but you have to replace them as one of them is rusted. Remove the movement and good luck to me. Remove some rust and inspect the damage. Seems fine here, and we will clean that out and send the case for polishing. Remove the gasket and please replace with an original tag Heuer gasket. Let's remove the hands. They seem perfect, so we are lucky here. I have no clue why I used clear plastic to remove the hands on a damaged dial. I'm an idiot. The dial has two dial feet that attach to the movement. Turn the dial feet screws to the flat side and the dial will come off. This may be harder as the rust may have glued the movement to the dial. Let's see. Yeah, we are definitely replacing this movement and dial. As you can see, we have a new dial, movement, battery, gasket and clamp screws. The whole case and bracelet has been polished and looking great. All are original parts. As the previous movement was replaced already, we decided to get the original 90s ETA movement for this watch. We have many spare parts in our inventory. As you have seen on my previous videos, we will set the time to midnight to all the date change and then install the hands. Apologies on the focus, my camera decided to have a bad focus day. Let's add the movement spacer and add the new screws into place. I know people will say, why not use a holder to add the movement spacer and screws? Well, it is easier for me to do it like this. Now we add the movement to the case and insert the stem and crown. We have replaced the stem as it was rusted and in horrible condition. This is important to replace, and don't forget to add the gasket in the crown as well. Just testing everything now, and the crown is nice and tight from the replaced parts, and now we check the date change and that all the hands rotate correctly. Adding the battery, and no need for a battery clamp as this movement does not require one. The height of the battery sits flush when the case back is closed. It may seem that the time is running fast indicated by the seconds hand, but I have increased the video speed to 2x faster so that the video is a decent length. The final part of the assembly is adding the strap. Use new bracelet pins, and you can see that the case and bracelet looks fantastic after the polish. And there is the finished product, from completely damaged to a new, original looking Tag Heuer with the correct movement, great result and a very happy customer. If you have a damaged watch that you would like to see serviced or fixed, feel free to contact us in the comment section. Alternatively, if you have something interesting to repair, we can feature it here for you on this channel.